Hey guys, welcome to Course Learner. So in this video, we are going to learn about table tag, that is how we can make tables. It's a very important topic in HTML. So please see the video till the end. और हाँ दोस्तों, अगर आपने हमारी पिछली वीडियोस नहीं देखी है तो जरूर जाके देखें. तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
Zombie apocalypse.
Welcome you all. So today we are working on table formation in HTML. So let me open my file first. Here I have opened my file with VS Code editor and as well as my browser also. That will help you to understand much better. For making a table, first we have to take a tag called table. So here it is, and inside the table tag, let's see how we can make rows and columns in our table. So here we use tr tag. This tag is basically known for making rows in the table, and inside the tr tag we will use a tag called td. This is known as table data, and it will store all the content like text, images, and whatever we want to put in the table. Like we have written here name. So save it, and here you will see the content. Let me add some more data in this table. So for that we will again use another td tag. So copy this and paste it here, and we will change this to class and save it. As you can see, our new column has been made with class. Let me take another. So copy this td tag and paste it here. Here we will take marks, save it, and now you will see another new column with marks. To make a new row, here we are using another tr tag, and inside this row we will use again td tag, which will contain our content. Let me take here Suraj and save. So now you can see our new row has been formed with Suraj. You will not see any kind of table here. For that we will use an attribute border inside the table tag like this, and we will give here the width of our border like we are giving here 2 pixels, and save the file. And now you can see a table inside our file. If you want to change the border width like 1 pixel, now you can see the change which is happened here, and even you can see here an empty space in the table. This is because we have taken only a single content here. So let me take some another content here inside the td tag, and now we will write here like second and save it. So now you can see our second has been displaying in the table. Let me add another td here. We'll write here 20. So save it, and now you can see our 20 is also been displayed in the table. We will copy this second row and paste it here and save it, and now you can see our another new row has been formed with same content as we have copied from here. Even you can merge two different cells with each other. So let's see how we can do that. So if we want to merge these two column cells, for that always remember you have to delete one cell from the selected cells. Like we are deleting this one, we will use an attribute here, that is colspan equals to comma, and we will put here 2 because we have only selected 2 cells. So save it, and you will see now we have only a single cell here. And if you want to merge these two row cells, always remember you have to delete only the down cells, not the upper one. Like we are deleting this one. For that we will cut this out, and inside this td tag we will write rowspan here, then equals to and comma, and we will put here 2. Save the file, and now you can see our two different row cells has changed into a single one. And if you want to display these things as your headings, for that you just have to change the td tag with th like this and close the th tag, save it, and now you can see it is showing as an heading. So let me change all other two, and now you can see all of our heading is showing. And even you can also add a caption to the table. For that we will write here caption, here it is providing us. So close this, like we have right here student record. So save it, and now you can see the caption just above the table with center alignment. So that's it guys. We will learn about some more tags in further videos.